Sometimes, your mind feels very full. You wake up, and many thoughts are already there. You think about work. You think about problems. You think about the future. And slowly, you feel tired, even before your day begins. But here is something important to understand. Your mind is not your enemy. Your mind is just busy. And when the mind becomes too busy, it needs rest. Just like your body becomes tired after walking, your mind becomes tired after thinking too much. Now, let's understand something simple. Stress is not always a big problem. Stress is a signal. It is your mind's way of saying, "Please slow down. Please take a break. I need space." When you understand stress in this way, you stop fighting it. You start listening to it. And this is the first step to relaxation. Let's take a small moment together. You are going to slow down now. You are going to breathe normally. No pressure. No rush. Just listen. Many people try to stop thinking completely. But that is not possible. The mind is like a river. Thoughts will always flow. The goal is not to stop the river. The goal is to make the river calm. When the river is calm, you can see clearly. When your mind is calm, you can think clearly. When your mind is calm, you can speak English more fluently. Because stress blocks your memory. Stress slows your thinking. And stress reduces confidence. So what creates stress? There are many small reasons. Too much information. Too many responsibilities. Too many worries about the future. And sometimes, no rest at all. Even your phone can create stress. Too many messages. Too many videos. Too many thoughts. But here is good news. You can train your mind. Just like you train your body in the gym. You can train your mind to stay calm. You can build mental strength. Slowly, every day. Let's do a simple awareness exercise. Do not close your eyes if you don't want. Just notice your breathing. In and out. In and out. No need to change it. Just observe it. This small moment is powerful because it brings your mind to the present. And stress usually comes from the past or the future. But peace exists only in the present. Right now. In this moment. Many learners of English also feel stress. They think, "My English is not good. I cannot speak fast. I make mistakes." But mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is comfort. When your mind is relaxed, English becomes easier. Words come faster. Sentences become smoother. You stop translating in your head. And you start thinking directly in English. This is why relaxation is not only for health. It is also for learning. A calm mind is a powerful learning machine. Now, before we finish this first part, remember this. You do not need to fix your whole life today. You do not need to solve every problem now. You only need to take one calm step. One breath. One moment of peace. Your mind is learning something new now. It is learning how to slow down. It is learning how to rest. And this is the beginning of mental relaxation.